Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 6-dot block menu in Notion. So in Notion, every line of content has its own blocks. Headings are blocks, paragraphs are blocks, bullet points are blocks, and checkboxes are blocks. When you hover over any of these items, you'll see 6 dots appear. If I hover next to key points, you can see the 6 dots here. So if I click those 6 dots, a menu appears. In the menu, you have the ability to duplicate a block, move a block, delete a block, change its type, add comments, etc. So first, let's just move this block. Go ahead and click on the 6 dots, and I'll start to move it. You can see as I move it up and down, it's showing me where that block is going to be placed. In this case, I'll put it over the overview. I'm going to go ahead and put that back into place. Now there's two ways I can do that. I can simply go down and drag it back into place, or I could use the Control-Z command on my computer. Now let's move an entire section together. To select multiple blocks, just click on an empty space and start dragging up or down. Once you have the selection that you'd like to use, grab those 6 blocks, and then you can start moving it to where you want to be on the page. In this case, I'll put it above the overview again, and you can see all items that were highlighted have been moved. To move them back, simply go what you did previously and move them back down. Okay, next, let's duplicate a block. I'll select the 6 dots on the action item, bring up the menu. I will click duplicate, and you can see that that additional action items has been created. And I'll click on this one to remove the duplicate just by hitting delete. I also can change the type of block. So under overview, I'll click the 6 dots on this particular paragraph. From the menu, I'm going to use turn into. And in this case, I'm going to use heading 2. Now that paragraph is now in a header format. I'm going to change it back to what I had previously. Anytime you want to rearrange content, select multiple blocks, duplicate something, or change a block type, hover to the left and use those 6 dots. And that's how you use the 6-dot block menu in Notion. Thanks for watching.